let's learn about slip gauges. Slip gauges are rectangular metallic blocks, which have a cross-section of 30 mm face length and 10 mm face width. They are ground and lapped to size to very high standard of accuracy and surface finish. Note, slip gauges are graded according to accuracy as Grade 0, Grade 1, and Grade 2. Now, let's learn about the use of slip gauges. Slip gauges are used as a working standard. Further, let's learn how to use slip gauges. Based on the measurement requirements, join several slip gauges together by the process of ringing. Note, ringing is the process in which the measuring faces of two slip gauges are gripped together without applying pressure. Always ensure that you start with the smallest unit when you are joining a specific number of slip gauges. For example, the length of 38.014 mm is to be built up. First, take a slip gauge having a length of 1.004 mm. Then, take a slip gauge having a length of 1.010 mm. After that, take the slip gauges having a length of 6.0 mm. and 30.0 mm. Now, place the slip gauge having a length of 1.004 mm. Then, ring the slip gauge of 1.010 mm length on top of the previous slip gauge. Followed by the slip gauges of 6.0 mm. and 30.0 mm length. You can see that the four slip gauges have a combined length of 38.014 mm. Now, place the slip gauge on the precision surface plate.